Good morning, students. Today in this video, first of all, I welcome you to visit my channel for visiting my channel. So, in this video, I will continue the chapter that is chapter number 7, respecting others, respecting oneself. This chapter is being taken from the book Be Positive, a textbook of moral value, standard 7. So, in my previous video, I had already explained about the first few paragraph of this chapter. So, if you have not watched it yet, my previous video, then go to through my channel, and there you will get all all the video related to the subject. Now, let's get started. First of all, I have to summarize the previous paragraph. In this chapter, it tells us about the respecting, how to respect others, elders, how to behave, how to in front of the people, and it also said that it states about the value that if we behave uh, if we behave good in front of the people, then it it is up to us that it is up to us that we decide that what kind of behavior, what kind of attitude we have in front of the people. So basically it talks about the social cause, civilized society and devotion. It talks about to how to build a democratic behavior in the society. It talks about that we should respect other people's religion, their background, their tradition. Then it will come back to us. It tells us about to how to form a habit of working in group by respecting the different view. So basically, in this video, in my previous video, I had explained about a beautiful story of the village Dovantar. And in this village Dovantar, people are very happy living their life because they do follow the rules and regulations. They know their right, how to follow, how to behave someone, how to behave in front of the people. And in this village, people come from different background. They do different job. Some people do farming, some people do banking, some people do a lot of different work that even they do their different job, different kinds of job. Even they do live happily, and they establish a really good relationship among the people, among the person in the living in the village Devanta. So first three or four paragraph I had already explained. Now let's get started from the next paragraph. From the page number 31, next paragraph. They carefully listen to the suggestion given by a respectable person of the village. They make decision collectively after due discussion. They greet each other in meeting according to their custom. If anybody does antisocial activity, they try to convince him or her. In case of further misconduct, they hand over such people to the concerned legal authority for punishment. They collectively help them to improve such behavior. So people of village Devanta, whenever um, they do conduct a debate, or they do want to start any work that is for the betterment of their society. First of all, they do carefully listen the suggestion that is given by the respectable person of the builder. After having argument or discussion, they make decision. They do take right decision. And also whenever the people of Devanta, they meet with each other, they greet each other according to their custom, their custom that they follow according to their likeness. If anybody does anti-social activity, anti means again, if some people, there are some people who always want to spread hatred among the people. So these type of people, they always try to do anti some kinds of anti-social activity. So people of Devanta, they try to convince him or them, but even if they do not understand, then they hand over such people to the concerned legal authority for giving punishment. Concerned legal authority that we are talking, they are talking about the police official or administrator. After that, these administrator or police official, they help them to improve such behavior so that they will be uh, improve their behavior. Next paragraph, they also involve women and children in decision making process who can reflect their view, emotion and suggestion. They organize cultural program at least one a month, turn by turn for cultural development of all. Caste, classes, and section. They do not ignore or insult weak, disabled person and marginalized group. Instead, they identify their ability and create the environment and opportunity for them to be self-reliant. Therefore, many people from different places and countries come here to study the democratic culture and behavior in the village. Meanwhile, a team from Kalali had made the following conclusion by studying the village. So, in this paragraph, it tells us that the people living in the village, the Vantar, they also involve women and children as well to make a right decision about their view, about their emotion, about their suggestion. Also, they organize or conduct cultural program at least one a month to respect all the religion and their cultural tradition, so that these people they will think that we are the same and we should equally treated all person. They even respect the disabled person and marginalized group. Disabled person, we can say uh, the person that has a special need. The person comes from special need and marginalized group. Instead, they identify their ability and create the environment opportunity for them to be self-reliant. These people, many people come from different places and country to come here and do study and observe the democratic culture and behavior about the village. This village, the Vansa village. During this time, a team from Kalali had made the following conclusion about the village Duvant, and they have come to the village and they do examine and observe about the village where the people of Duvant, they are very happy and they know their right and they do follow the rules and regulations. Last paragraph. The main characteristic of the Vantar are to live together, work collectively, and help discussion with each other. All views are respected here. All people work following the rules and regulation. All are equally treated in this village. They reach on conclusion with collective discussion. If anybody does illegal activity, they become unanimous for the punishment according to the degree of offense. As a result, the feeling of living together with sharing and caring each other had become strong in the village. So whenever these people they have come to examine and observe the village Devanta. Whatever they have examined, that these people, the people of Devanta, they work collectively and they do have discussion with each other before they start any kind of work related to the society, and they also their view and they respect each other. All the people of this Devanta, they do follow the rules and regulations, and they also equally treated everyone in the village. So that's why these people they reach on the conclusion with collective discussion. And if any people they do any kind of illegal activity, they become anonymous for the punishment according to degree of offense. So as a result, the feeling of living together. These people, they, that's why these people, they do live together with sharing and caring each other, and had become strong in the village. So basically, this chapter, it tells us, it is about, teach us about the moral value like that we should always respect elder, we should always equally treated everyone, so that we will establish a better society. We will develop a good relation between among the people. So that is the story that tells us about the value that we should respect everyone. Thank you. Have a